Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Powell. Just making some progress here in the yard. Got this whole area cleaned out like I wanted. Big piles of stuff to be mulched down. I got a guy coming later today, hopefully, to scope it out, give me a price, and if we agree, then all this will soon be mulch. And I can't wait, because like Billy Idol said, too much is never enough, except I say too mulch is never enough. So yeah, let's hope that that works out. I'll show you guys the pile of mulch that results. There's a lot more stuff over there too. So all of this is getting ground down as well. All right, everything got mulched. The guy came by today. We agreed on the price. Everything got ground up. That's the root system of one of the things I cleared out. That was pretty much the only thing that didn't get ground up. Everything's nice and cleaned out. Couple of tree kind of stems were too big to fit in the grinding machine, so I'm just going to chop those up and set them to the side. I'll use them for firewood. Here is one pile of mulch, and this is the smaller pile. This is maybe, I don't know, gosh, I wouldn't even say how many wheelbarrows full that is, but it's a fairly decent amount. There is a lot of needles and stuff in here too, pine needles, but most of it is pretty good wood. You guys can see it here. So nice, beautiful mulch. I love it. Just smells so nice too. It's like awesome. I'm really hopeful that I made a friend with this guy who does this landscaping. And he's offered to hook me up with mulch in the future if he has jobs where people don't want the mulch. And because usually he brings it to a composting center, but he said he's happy to dump it here if I want. So that's going to be pretty cool. I made sure that he doesn't work like by the road or anything like that. Like I don't want any roadside trees, but he said he just does like private yards and stuff. And then this is the big pile. So this thing is just awesome. I'm like so excited. This thing comes up to like, I don't know, about a little over, well, maybe not over, but just to my waist. So this is a big pile. Definitely really excited about this one. It's really cool. So we got two decent sized piles. That's just needles mostly, but that one over there and this one. So I will be like Scrooge McDuck swimming around in the mulch. I love it. I can't wait. I'll be setting up another mulch bed for gardening. Got a lot of nice pine needles in here too, and nice finely chipped wood. So it's really cool. I'm very excited about it. And yeah, I'll be setting up another mulch bed, maybe even two, with what we've got here, and I will be eagerly picking up more leaves and stuff thrown out by people putting out their green waste. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see what happens with all this mulch. And if you're so curious and you can't wait, you can watch my previous videos with what I did about mulch. And just as a sneak peek, maybe I'll quickly tell you what I'm going to do, and then you can subscribe and see it. I'm going to do another mulch bed over here somewhere. And we got a cool little tree here. I'll probably do a video about this separately. But this is a little apricot tree that we got from my father-in-law. He got it from the neighbor of his son, so my brother-in-law. And he got like a bunch of these little saplings. These all grew from seed. And basically, they were sitting in a bucket all winter in the garage. And I thought for sure like they were going to be dead. But then they all, you know, shot out leaves in the spring. And he gave us like a few. I think we had probably maybe 5 or 6 in a bucket, but I really didn't have time to take care of them or plant them or anything, and they all died except for this one. So this thing is just like the little tree that could, and I planted it here really late in the summer, and I'm hopeful that it's gonna do great, but it's looking really good. Got nice growth and nice leaves, so we will see what that does. But I'm gonna do a big mulch bed here and keep working on the creation of the food forest. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it. And yeah, let me know what you guys do with your mulch. And subscribe if you want to see what I do with this. See you guys. Bye.